Sludge is a kind of solid waste with large quantity and wide range, high moisture content, foul odor, easy to corrupt, containing heavy metals. 3 causes: organic pollutants and other toxic chemicals and pathogenic microorganisms. And there is a high risk of secondary pollution. Sludge ball press is composed of 3 parts. Is the feeding part. The feeding part of the sludge ball press is mainly to achieve quantitative feeding, to ensure that the material evenly into the roller. 2 is the transmission part. Sludge ball press transmission part of the main transmission system is motor, triangle belt, reducer, open gear, roll. 3 is the forming part, mainly refers to the main machine part of the sludge ball press. The core part is the roll.